Building a digital product business can be a smart way to start earning online without physical inventory or expensive office space. Digital products are items that you can create once and you can sell them many times, like ebooks, online courses, templates, software, or even digital art. The beauty of this kind of business is that once the product is ready, you can scale it easily, reaching customers all over the world without worrying about the shipping or storage. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can start your own digital product business even if you are a beginner in a very simple way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to check out the tools and platforms that will help you to create and sell digital products faster. By using the description link, any special offers or free trials that will be applied automatically. So you get the best start possible. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is choosing the type of digital product you want to sell. Think about what skill, knowledge, or content you already have that others might find valuable. For example, if you know how to use graphic design tools, you could create templates, logos, or social media graphics. If you are good at teaching, you could create an online course or an ebook. Even simple tools like spreadsheets, checklists, or the planners that can become valuable digital products for the right audience. The key is to pick something you are confident creating and that solves a problem or fulfills a need for your audience. Once you have an idea, the next step is reaching your audience. You need to know who your potential customers are, what they are searching for, and how much they are willing to pay. You can check online forums, social media groups, competitor products, or use simple keyword research tool to see what people are looking for. This step is important because a product that solves a real problem will sell much better than something that made without any research. After knowing your audience, it's time to create the product. Keep in mind that digital products do not have to be perfect on the first try. You can start with a minimum version that delivers the main value and then improve it over the time based on customer feedback. For example, an ebook that can start with 10 chapters. A template can include the main layouts, or an online course that can have a few initial lessons. What matters most is delivering value that people are willing to pay for. The next step is choosing the right platform to sell your product. There are many options for beginners. You can sell directly from your website using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WordPress with e-commerce plugins. You can also use the marketplace like Gumroad, Etsy, or even the course platform like Teachable or the Thinkific. The advantage of this platform is that they handle payments, delivery, and customer management, making it much easier to start with any technical complication. Marketing is the step that often decides whether your digital product business will be success or not. Start by building an audience using the social media, email list, or content marketing. Share tips, tutorials, or related free content that attracts your ideal customer. This builds trust and familiarity. So when you offer your digital product, people are more likely to buy. You don't need to use budget. Consistency and value matter more than expensive campaign at the beginning. Another important part is the pricing your product. Digital products are often high margin, but setting the right price is very important. Look at similar products in your niche. Consider the value you provide and test small adjustments to find what works best. Remember, you can always offer discounts, bundles, or premium upgrades as your business grows. Finally, always focus on improving and scaling. Ask customers for feedback, monitor what sells best, and think about ways to create the complementary products. You can bundle the multiple products, you can offer memberships, and add recurring subscription models. The key is to continuously provide value, improving your product line and reach more people without increasing your workload too much. So that's a simple roadmap for building a digital products business from scratch. With the right idea, research, creation, and marketing strategy, anyone can start selling digital products online and build a business that grows over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start their own digital business. So thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. Don't forget to check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.